If you are new to Google Drive, your drive may look empty now, but as you begin to upload and create files, it will begin to look like mine. Let us get familiar with the different parts of the Google Drive. The first is the search bar on the top. The search bar is used to look up specific files when you enter the search term. For example, if I want to look up files which are related to Excel, I will type in Excel and you can see that Google displays all the files that match my search criteria. I can just click on the file that I want, or if I want all, an example is if I want to search for all files that have the term Excel lesson in it, I can just click on Excel lesson and I can see the search result changing to the files that have the term Excel lesson in. Next is the option bar. So we will see options appear here based on whatever actions you want to do with the files and folders in the view pane. So if you select a folder, you can see the options related to folders that you can perform, and if you select a file, you can see the options related to file that you can perform on the file. For example, if you want to delete this file, you can use the remove option. If you want to see a preview of this file, you can use the preview option. If you want to share it with others, you can use the share option here. This large pane here is called the view pane, and this is where you see all your files and folders displayed. In this pane, the view pane, you can see who owns the files. As you can see the names here, if the file is shared or not. So if you see icon like this, it basically means the file is shared, and the ones that don't have that icon, the file is not shared, and when the file was last modified. To work on a file, simply select the file and double click on it. When you double click on it, the file opens up in a new tab, as you can see out here. And you can start working on the file, and when you're done with it, you can close it and you can come back to your Google Drive. In the left pane, you can see your drive and the various views of your drive. Like, let's say you just want to see files that are shared with you, files and folders that are shared with you, you can just click on shared with me and it will show you all the files and folders that are shared with you. If you just want to go back to your drive, you can just click on my drive. If you want to see all the folders in your drive, you can click on this tiny arrow here to open up all the folders that are part of your drive. And if you, so it's an expand and collapse button out here. Related files can be grouped into folders, and when you select a folder on the left pane, only related files are visible in the view pane here. For example, if I select Access 2010, it will show me only related files which I have organized into the Access 2010 folder out here. So if you want to go back to my drive again, you can just click and you have access to my drive. Click on New button to create new documents, spreadsheets, presentation, and other Google files out here. You can also create folders and also upload files using the new button.